pull to return to our regular lives, right? We didn't mind it for a little bit, especially introverts were like, okay, I can do this. But later, some of us found out it wasn't all that bad because we actually missed some of the things that we experienced during the COVID lockdown period. And here's what people said: not feeling guilty for never leaving my home and all of the quality time my girlfriend and I spent together. You know, time, you can never get time back. So the background noise is being switched off. No traffic, no planes in the sky, no horns blaring, right? Also the sense of community it brought with neighbors checking in on one another and if anyone needed anything. And finally, I actually saved a lot of money, this person said. No, one more. Not having a cold for 2 years. Ain't that right? I didn't have a cold for 2 years. 101.3 KDWB. 101.3 KDWB. The Twin Cities #1 music station. Music we listen to all year long. The anthems that were our soundtrack for 2022. And the stars who made the songs we love. We'll all be celebrating March 27th live from Los Angeles. Let's get started. Get ready for our 2023 Radio Music Awards. Coming back to Fox. From the Evans Transportation Weather Center. Also cloudy this afternoon, 28. Some fog late tonight, down to 6, and sunshine and 20 tomorrow. This report is sponsored by Cub. Did you know that Cub delivery is just $5.99 every day with no hidden fees ever? Get all the deals, perks, and savings in one convenient place when you switch and shop at Cub.com today. My Cub, my way. See store for details.
Hey singles, are you tired of making and breaking New Year's resolutions? Events and Adventures can help. We've been planning and preparing 30 activities every month for over 30 years. And there's something for everyone. From thrilling outdoor hikes to chill indoor fun. And from exotic getaways to bucket list excursions. We do the work so you can focus on having a great time with other singles. Make this year's resolution to start living a life you love. And get started today at eventsandadventures.com. Maybe this year will be different. Maybe you'll finally try new things and see new places. Maybe scratch the maybe. With Events and Adventures, this is definitely your year. The year to tick off overdue bucket list items and take yourself to new heights. The year you meet tons of singles while learning, doing, and exploring up to 30 activities every single month. From chill get-togethers to adrenaline-pumping action and even exotic getaways. Make this year your year and get started today at eventsandadventures.com.
I always wanted to learn Spanish, but I never thought I'd have the time. Then I discovered Babbel.
Babbel's lessons are fun. They only take like 10 or 15 minutes, and in 3 weeks, presto, you're starting